Today we will discuss science of energy which will bring positive change in our life. Everyone is well aware and everyone knows that the house and room we live is extension of our subconscious mind. Before starting today's discussion, let me tell all of you that North-Northwest is a zone of sex, love, intimacy and attraction. If any sort of imbalance is found in this direction, the couple may be complaining that there is no attraction towards his or her partner in him or in her. So, how to correct this imbalance? Here are simple remedies, simple tips which we have already tested on so many clients, and they are all living happily after applying these remedies. And these are very simple tips. You need not to spend much on these things. Only one thing you have to do is to locate the North-Northwest zone of your house. Then you have to correct the imbalance. One thing you yourself can correct is you can paint the North-Northwest zone with blue color and place the photograph of that particular couple who is feeling that there is no connect, no happiness or no bonding, no love is there within them. This is a very useful tip. You all can try, you all can test, and even newly married couples who don't feel that there is care, there is love in their relationship, they must do and place their photograph in North-Northwest with the blue background. Second thing you can do, don't invite anyone in your private area, in your bedroom, because any stranger you are not aware may be carrier of negative energies, diseased energies, and it can also lead to misunderstanding or heaviness in your living area. It can lead to fights within the couples. Here are few tips to enhance love, intimacy and understanding within you and your partner. North-Northwest direction of sex, love, intimacy can be corrected. Its imbalance can be cured by changing the color of this particular zone. Paint it blue, place a photograph of you both together in this particular area. You will feel a difference within few days. Second remedy is in the southeast zone of your house, always light or burn aromatic candles. This will allow the energy of love to flow in. Always keep sea salt on your bedside. Always put pillows in pairs and always mop your bedroom space with the sea salt water. These are few things. If you take care of these remedies, you will feel a huge difference. We will wait for your feedback. God bless you all. Thank you.